Deepanam School. Ahilya, 14 years old, Hannah and Meera, 13 years old, are three Songbird Girls in the forest of Auroville. They love to sing and will share with you their passion.
Hello.
This is our thing? Oh, you're recording.
Why is recording?
No, that's scary.
When you sleep, I'm behind you and I record your dreams.
How can you record my dreams? I would maybe like to be a singer in the future. And my name's already a singer. I sing. Singers sing. So if you sing, doesn't mean you have to be famous. If you're a singer, you just sing. It's true. Row, row, row,
you go gently down the stream.
If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Maybe we can lock it. Hi, this is Meera, and I'm interviewing Ahilya. Okay, can you introduce yourself, please?
So, hi, I'm Ahilya. I'm 14 years old and I live here in Auroville. I'm Indian. My dad comes from Kashmir and my mom comes from Bengal. Bengal, yeah.
Since when are you singing?
I've been singing since I was basically 3. I used to sing little nursery rhymes and, little songs, lullabies and that kind of stuff. But I've actually never taken a singing class in my life. The only singing that I ever do is in the shower. So basically, that's the only way I've been trained, by singing in the shower, so.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My she's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, it holds in my apologies, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and I feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can go brighter than the sun.
No, this is not going good. Let's stop.
Whoa.
You're
like, whoa. And why do you want to sing? I mean, why?
I don't know. It just brings me a lot of happiness. And it's one of those things that I am kind of good at, because at drawing, at sports, I've never actually been that good at it. But there's when I sing, I don't feel nervous about anything. I'm not embarrassed. I can just sing as loud as I want and I feel really good about it.
Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun.
I'm 12 and in 2 months it's my birthday. I'm turning 13.
How do you feel about turning 13?
I don't know.